Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a free lead magnet in 2025. So we will go from idea to design to delivery and promotions only using the free tools. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first step, you need to simply choose one clear problem your audience has, and then you need to write a one sentence promise your lead magnet will deliver. You need to keep it short, useful, and instantly actionable. So for the brainstorming of the niche, you can also use a ChatGPT. Now, in the second method, once you have your niche ready, you need to open either Canva or Google Docs and you need to start building 1 to 5 page of assets that includes the strong title and one line promise. After that, you need to provide quick steps of the framework, then simple CTA at the end and export it as PDF for easy delivery. After that, you can use some of the free email marketing tool like we have ConvertKit, or you can use Bravo or MailerLite to basically create a landing page. Then you need to add the compelling heading, 3 bullet points of what they are going to get, and then you can just simply start sending them email. In your email tools, you are also going to see the automation delivery. You are going to get it in kit.com for sure. So in your email tools, you need to connect the form to an instant thanks plus download email. There you can select the subject button or link to the PDF. After that, you need to embed the form or the link in multiple spots, like in your website, then in your blog post, and in your exit intent pop-up. Then you need to start sharing your landing page on social media like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you are basically active. So you need to keep on posting consistently and remind your followers what they are going to get and why it is useful now. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.